Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a special unboxing because FLORASIS has come up with an entire new makeup collection line and they sent it over for us to check out, you guys. So I'm so excited. We're gonna get to see their new collection. I'm gonna show you guys some of the different items that are included in it. To me, this is very different for FLORASIS. Like, this is not the usual look that they create. I'm sure it's still going to be beautiful, but it definitely has a different take on their makeup. So I'm excited to get into it, you guys. So let's go ahead and start this unboxing. Now, if you're not familiar with FLORASIS, as I mentioned, this is a makeup or cosmetic company. They create some of the most beautiful works of art with their makeup products. I've been trying out their makeup the last year. It is definitely designed for like a dewy skinned look. They have a lot of light products that really are going to give you like flawless finishes, but they strive to go for something like this, where it's going to be very soft makeup. It's a very natural aesthetic. Now, you can purchase these items in store at the FLORASIS stores, or you can purchase them online. They have a full website with lots of different products on it. Specifically today, though, we're diving into their brand new collection. This collection is called the Nordic Glam collection that launches on January 15th of this year. It is the first time that they've ever had a collection that looks like this, and it's inspired by several different things in Chinese culture. So they did send over a little booklet that gives you kind of a glimpse into the products of that collection. This is the first photo that I saw, and I was like, this is so different. This is very different for what they usually go with. FLORASIS typically focuses on like flowers, which is where flora comes from in their name, or they'll be inspired by lotus, or they'll do like Chinese fans. It's always centered around their culture, but they've never went with a design or a look like this before. This one states that it's inspired by the traditional Ulzi pattern. It is an emblematic knot that symbolizes knowledge, wealth, happiness, and good karma. They state that this pattern is your companion as you venture into the unknown. This collection is designed to give you an ancient leather craftsmanship and breathtaking landscapes. This is a collection of sensorial beauty creations and practical leather goods. This was for dynamic, graceful, restless, and resilient looks. If you make a purchase in stores or on the FLORASIS website as part of this collection, they did come out with an exclusive designer bag to go along with your purchase. So included in your box, your shipping box when you order, you will receive a FLORASIS bag, or this bag will be in stores as well. But they made this specifically for the collection, and it also features the Ulzi pattern that they were talking about in the description. So this is that design, and they said this is a traditional knot that, again, symbolizes good karma, and we read that a little bit in there. And it's featured on the bags itself, but you're still getting the leather look and that nomadic design as well with this bag. So I do think it's super cute that they created something specifically for this line. Here are the handles up at the top. It's a very soft rope. And I mean, how cute is that? That this is all included. You do get a little gift tag over here as well. So if you want to write on there, you definitely can. But this is your first glimpse into their new collection. So we do have a pressed powder here. This is called the Flawless Jade Powder. They did an all new look. So all of the packaging has got the same feel. We've got the same design. It's not actual leather, but it's made to look like leather. So this is their silky smooth flawless powder. This is a breathable powder, so it will still allow your skin to breathe when you put it on. It will help to mattify out some of those oils, but I still feel like it gives you a bit of a dewy glam look. It's really gonna set your makeup in place, but still allow your pores to breathe and to really give you that dewy look. The packaging is exquisite on this. It opens up here on the corner like a locket style where you'll press this button. Then you'll open it up and you are going to have a mirror inside. It does come with a little powder puff as well. And then down below, you're gonna see your flawless powder. So this one it's very translucent, but I do like that they even changed the packaging up to match this collection. So if you're looking for a powder that, like I said, is gonna set your makeup in place, but still allow it to be breathable, it's very lightweight. Honestly, I don't even notice once I put it down. It does not make your makeup cakey at all. So if you're wanting a very lightweight powder, I definitely recommend that one. Next, we're gonna take a look at their cream blush. Now this one is called the Peony Dream Cream Blush. I believe they're gonna have different shades, but this is the one that's included in this kit. And again, you've got that same packaging design. Here's what this one will look like. How cute is that? And this is all 3D, you guys. Like, this is all textured and lifted on the front here. I mean, is that just not adorable? Same design that you're gonna open it up here on the corner, and it's got a locket style. You'll have a mirror inside, and then down below will be that cream blush color. Now this color is perfect for giving you just a slight pink tint. Now this color is gonna give you a nice soft glow. It's not too bold, not strong pigment at all. It's just going to be a nice soft color. So I'll go ahead and do a quick swatch for you guys. That way you can kind of see what it's like. It is very creamy, very soft, and it almost feels like when you're touching it, it's so smooth that you're like, wait a second, am I even getting any pigment? But then when you put it down, it blends out to give you this really nice soft look. So personally, what I like about this is it's not heavy. Once again, it's so lightweight when you put it down. It will blend out really well with your skin, that the more you work it, the more it's gonna look like a very natural glow. Next up, we're gonna look at one of the satin lipsticks. This is a full-size product. They will have this in different shades once again. However, the one that I have here is the Sacred Warmth color. But this packaging has all been designed to match the same look. Now, I've used their satin lips in the past, and what I will say is, again, they're so lightweight. You put it on and it's soft, it feels velvety on your lips, but it feels like you have nothing on. And I don't know how to explain that, but it's never heavy, it's not sticky, it's just lightweight, and you're like, wait a second, did I even put makeup on today? And then it's like, oh yes, I did put makeup on, I just can't feel it. So we'll do a quick swatch here of this color. This one goes down more like a matte. You can always apply a gloss over top of these if you want to, but the color itself is gonna give you a nice pink coral shade. And again, they're so soft. Had I not known I just did it, somebody could put this on my hand and I would have no idea that there was even makeup there. Ooh, I think there's a palette in here. This one is called Into the Wild palette. I heard they were making a whole new palette just for this collection. So this is what it looks like here. Now, to me, if you guys have been around FLORASIS, this is where it's at. Usually, FLORASIS puts out really cool palettes. So we're gonna look at this one, but I would expect this to be gorgeous. So here's what it looks like. It looks like a belt buckle. You guys, like, this is a Texas belt buckle if I have ever seen one. Honestly, how cool would that be? I need a makeup cowgirl and she's rocking this palette as her belt buckle. Would that not be awesome? Oh my gosh, I love it. I think I just came up with a whole new idea, you guys. Give me that kind of influencer. So this is what it looks like on the front. You got that same locket design. And then inside there will be a mirror at the top. And then down below, you're gonna have all of your shades. Now, one thing you're gonna notice with FLORASIS is they brought back the carvings and what they put into their palettes. However, they are still sticking to this collection. So we're gonna see this braided knot design in the center, then you're gonna see the horses on the side, definitely getting like those sand hills up here at the top, trying to give you that inspiration of being nomadic, and you're really seeing like that culture come through in the palette. I don't even think my camera is picking up all of the detail on this because every single one of these has got pressed, do you see this here? Like there's a whole like zigzag design behind each of these. This color, we are definitely gonna look at that one because whoa, is that pretty. We're of course gonna do some swatches here because I want to see what these colors look like, even though I hate ruining these because they're so beautiful. So we'll start with this one over here. It's got kind of more of a copper look. Ooh, it's got shimmer in it. There is a silver shimmer to that one. Look at how gorgeous that is. Okay, I really like that one. I can work with that. Ooh, yes. So you've got kind of your copper tone there. Now, what I always recommend, They will create these specifically to go down as a light color, but if you want to build them up, you 100% can. So all you need to do is add more pigment to it. It's a difference in makeup. This is more Eastern culture where you're getting a little bit lighter colors. You just need to build them up if you want to have them more intense. So next we're going to try this one over here. And this, I feel like you could double it as a highlighter if you wanted to, but it would be a really gorgeous inner color as well, like inner eye color in here to brighten up that area. But look at this. You could put that down as a bright white highlighter and that would be so pretty. I love that. So next we're gonna do the one here in the center. This one I feel like is gonna give you a little bit more depth with your eyeshadow looks. It's a very neutral, like terracotta color. It's designed to work with all of these shadows again. So I do feel like this will be like a transition shade, or you could, you know, add it as like a little bit of pigment in that outer V. But this is what that will look like there. You will have some softer nudes up here at the top. And again, these are perfect if you just want to add a little soft color, but it's not going to be too bold for this one. I think it's supposed to just be like a transition and just give you like an outline, but you can kind of see it does give me like a desert leather vibe. I see where they're going with these. Our next shade will have more of a yellow tone to it, and it's a little bit brighter. This one's also pretty. I kind of like where this is going. So this one is definitely a lot softer. You can tell that it's there, but it is very soft. But this is what I love about makeup, because there's makeup for everyone. If you don't want a bold, intense look like what I do sometimes, you can go with a soft glam look. Now we're gonna check out the bottom ones here. This is this blue-green tone. Oh my gosh. Guys, look I activated it down there. Do you see like all of the shimmer that's in that? It looks better messed up, you guys, like swatched. Look at this. So this is the hero color of it. I swear, you guys, like this is just beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more swatch over top of this and really build up that glitter. Actually, it's more of a shimmer. It's not a glitter, but that is so pretty. I love this one the most. I kind of knew I was. I'm not gonna lie. This is just so gorgeous, you guys. I love it. Man, it is not doing it justice on camera, okay? In person, this one is so beautiful. Last shade that we have in here is going to be more of a dark chocolate brown color, and it will look like this. Again, do you see how it's soft? It's just not, I don't know how to explain it. It is a soft makeup, and it's so beautiful. Where do I put this at? I'm running out of hand space. Let's go right over here. This one, you can intensify a look and really deepen it up with that color. From a reviewing aspect, I have to say this is definitely FLORASIS. Even though it looks very different from what they usually do, I can still tell that it's them. It's still soft, it's very lightweight, and it's very comfortable makeup. To me, this is the makeup you want when you don't know you're wearing makeup. The makeup that won't clog your pores, that'll give you a very soft, youthful look. I feel like this is definitely them. So I think it's great. I love the new look that they've come up with. I love the new collection. Honestly, I think it's a very pretty collection that they have. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing today as well, but I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye, guys.